Hey friends! Today we're going green. We're making a no-bake matcha cheesecake. Let's start with the crust. Grab about 150 grams, that's roughly 5 ounces, of your favorite cookies. Crush them into fine crumbs. Food processor works best, but a rolling pin and some stress from your inbox will do the job just fine. Next, melt 40 grams, about 3 tablespoons, of butter until it's silky liquid gold. Pour that over the cookie crumbs, mix it up, and you've got the base for our cheesecake. Press the cookie mixture into an even layer. No bald spots, people. While that's happening, bloom 15 grams, just over a tablespoon, of gelatin in 75 milliliters, 1/3 cup, of cold water. Let it sit for a few minutes until it looks like a jelly sponge. Now for the filling. In a mixing bowl, add 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of heavy cream, and 70 grams, 1/3 cup, of sugar. Whip until you get medium peaks. Think firm enough to stand up, but still a little soft, like a comfy couch. To your whipped cream, 200 grams, 3/4 cup, of plain yogurt. Don't forget 60 milliliters, 1/4 cup, of warm milk. Add 400 grams, 14 ounces, of cream cheese. And the melted gelatin. Use a double boiler to melt it gently. Mix until it's silky smooth. Pour half of this dreamy mixture into the crust. And pop it in the fridge. We're giving it time to set before we go full matcha mode. While it chills, dissolve 7 grams, about 1½ teaspoons, of matcha powder. Stir until all the lumps are gone. Add this green goodness to the rest of the cream mixture. Quick question break. What's your favorite tea flavor in desserts? Matcha, Earl Grey, chai? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm taking votes for my next tea-themed cake. Once your first cheesecake layer is firm, pour the matcha layer over it. Smooth it out and send it back to the fridge for at least 2 hours. When the cheesecake has set completely, take it out and grab about 20 grams, a small handful of pistachios. Crush them into fine crumbs and sprinkle generously on top. It's like putting jewelry on your dessert. Slice it up, grab a fork, and enjoy that creamy, tea-infused perfection. Thanks for watching, friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button, share it with your dessert-loving crew, and subscribe so you never miss a sweet adventure. See you next time.